ahead.
Renee Hoover, Masters 16 Regionals, Mid-Atlantic.
One time for like a meeting.
You need me to go?
I just never seen that.
What?
I need the video right now.
Yeah.
Renee. Can I get your video back?
That good?
Hang on, let me get 11 now.
Does Bill need it too?
If I didn't work this thing, it'd be great.
Sorry. That's all right. Good. Does he need it to bump it down just a little bit?
Down? No, I'm just thinking. Straight at it. Look, come get this. He was like, I mean, all this piece.
15 foot to the ground.
All right, Logan.
Lowering the root.
Tough of that. Tough.
Renee, don't drop until you get past here.
11 foot for the drop.
Okay.
Okay, don't do it.
What do you mean, don't let go?
Are you Facebook Live and stuff?
Yeah. Well, it's only Dylan and Alex.
She has to climb the top, not right?
Yep. And then this one underneath there.
Yeah, exactly. You got it. You guys ready for a 10-second countdown? Great.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
'Knees elbow. Yeah.
There you go, just like that. Now stand. Bent your legs. There you go. Good luck, out again.
One more. Now you're at 12.
Should I get the rest of the video or no?
Look, just the row one to do two. Come on, Renee.
Don't burn your arms out.
Up tall. Elbow. Stand up tall. You're going to stretch that out.
Don't burn your arms out. Okay, just hold, tuck, and stand. There you go.
Renee, more legs. Try to get your knees up. Roll your sleeves up.
Think of it like a toaster bar. Get them real high and then stand.
That's key, Renee. Key is the elbow. Stand up. One more.
Hey, if you get halfway up there, don't give up. It's wasted energy. Okay?
You're not rest.
Knees up, pinch.
There, stand. Use your legs. Use your legs.
That's for like 2 minutes. That's for a while, because you need your forearms to come back.
You're getting this one. You have to. You got it.
You got just under 4 minutes, Renee. Just under 4.
Come on, Renee. You want me to go off?
Hey, 15 more seconds. Rest 15 more. Corey, I think you need a helmet. All right, Renee, back up. Use your legs.
There you go. Get back one on top of the other one.
30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Hold on.
Rest, Renee, rest. So close. You got it. Renee, you got one more.
I'm on one side, you got Dylan on the other.
Dylan and Corey have it.
Pinch with your legs. It's all in your legs, not in your arms. Come on. You got 40 seconds.
Come on, Renee, you got this. All right, you gotta go. Renee, you gotta go.
30 seconds. Alicia.
Awesome job, Renee.
Yeah? Dill.
Guys, I think it's pretty
Dill.
awesome to watch
After
all
she's
of
done.
you come out and support Renee. She's
you,
such
guys.
an inspiration.
Renee, 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 Renee.